for you to optimize your content. Basta ang purpose man gud sa content is to really aim nga ang inyong website masubtile directly sa users what are you trying to sell. So okay ra ta so far? Okay ra guys, okay ra? Okay, thank you. Lalis lang ha kay dili kay ko familiar sa Zoom. Skype person manggug ko. So I don't know kung everyone is really kuan. Okay, padayon ta. Number 7 is publish your website. So muna ni ang mo launch ta sa inyong website. Once you're done with everything, you need to publish your website. So publish meaning i-launch na ninyo. Munang makita na gyud siya online, may kag www.alcoplus.com. Then makita din nila ning imong website na gihimo. So pag human mo publish, then you will analyze and improve. Ang pag-analyze o pag-improve, daghang method. One is kaning asa naman ang manok maniting og dira. Si Shai gini. Sulod man gani pinag-grand entrance pag yun. Dili man ta mag-video call nga kinahanglan pa ka maligo. Dili makita nimo din ha. Sige, nay padayon ta. Analyze and improve. Nganong kinahanglan man nato i-analyze and improve ang ato ang website. Of course, how will we know the success of what we are doing if we don't analyze and improve? So, through time, kinahanglan nato analyze, have we really engaged people? Are there any increase in the number of visits? Are there any kanang conversion meaning actual good nga nipalit sa imong product? And then if those are the missing things nga let's say for example, especially when the client invest on something, ibayad siya nimo og let's say for example $1,000 to build the website. What is the return of his investment? Of course, the conversion. Daghan ba na malit? And then how can you prove that one? That's why you need to analyze. There are some tools to analyze. Number 1 is the Google Analytics. Once you embed Google Analytics in your website, it will automatically check the visits, the views, the bounce rates, the sessions, the number of users, sa nga demographic, sa nga media ilang gigamit, sa nga device, tanan. So, based on that data nga i-present sa inyo then you need to decide asa ang area nga kinahanglan improve. Naabay problema sa imong pag-design. So, muna ang atong content. So, again, dako kay ni og help nga guide sa inyo For me, ang number 1 yun is kaning first is you need to know unsay purpose sa imong gihimo. Every time I do something, I always think of that. Dili lang website. Every time na I project na moabot sa mo, I always think yun of sa magay purpose, sa magay goal. Anong gipabuhat man ko ani? Kay usually man good, most of us when we deal with something or a particular project, ang tendency we'll just do it because we are being paid. Yes, that's fine. Pero ang problema is you're not really putting something sa imong work without knowing the goal. Okay, kabalo ka sa goal nga gusto day i-achieve sa client nga na siya online presence lang. Okay. Gusto day i-achieve sa client nga aside sa they are present online, gusto po nilang increase ilang sales. Gusto nilang they want to make people aware that they exist, nga ma-search sila sa search engine. So those are the kind of goals nga inyong gusto ipamutana. So again, mao na siya ang atong 8-step nga guide. Let's proceed. Time lagi. So karon 10:30, 10:23. So karon dirita sa key principles that make or web design look good. So mo na siya ang 7 key principles. Kay mo man atong topic karon, how to make designing great looking websites. So it's not just designing websites, but it should be great looking. So tanaw na to karon. Ang next nga session ani, by the way, is for you to come up with a great looking website. Tanaw na to kung great looking ba gyud. Agree? Kabahan na mo. Anang paminaw mo pagsulat gid mo og kinahanglan. So next, number 1, keep your design balance. So karon, na naman ta sa design, muni ang mga kinahanglan ninyo nga ikuan.
Tanawa kuya. Yeah, tanawa.
Kinahanglan ninyo nga timan-an. Ako ning i-share ninyo ang slides, don't worry. So sa number 1, kinahanglan, you need to keep your design balance. So, makita raman niyo sa sample, left and right, right and left, balance. Instead nga, naisa galutaw sa tikas. Next, number 2, compartmentalize your design by using grids. Nga naman, later on akong i-discuss nganong unsa nay ka necessary ning grids. Number 3, pick 2 or 3 base colors at most for your design. So, ang tendency man gud karon, usually rabay ka nang bagko pa nga mag-design, ma-overwhelm. Ala, butang din ha, kitag lugar din pansak dito, kitag ganahang color din pak butang color din ha. Ana,
Rag ako.
mo na nga at least okay ra. At least dili ra ba ko nindot og tingog.
Okay raman.
So okay raman ka ninyo. Record lang mo din ha. Tingon man gud nila kay basta batig tingog gwapo.
Mama, ay po recording
Ito
mo.
mga nindot og tingog. Wala ko game. So, timanin ninyo, you need to stick only with at least 2 to 3 base colors. So, number 4, try to make the graphics go well together. So, usahay man good, we put a text and then a graphic. Now, ang imuhang text, ay imuhang graphics sa imong text doesn't really relates to your text. Ang imo lang is, ganahan ko sa picture, ganahan ko waterfalls. Then, ang text nila is, kanima na itong ibaligya, alcohol. Ang mo text ito is, keeping you safe at home. Dayon, ang imong gibutang nga picture kay, bukid sa agad-agad. So, wala siya relation. So, dapat ang imong graphics, imong ibutang dira must go together well. So, that's number 4. Number 5, improve your website's typography. So, kinahanglan ang readability sa website. Diri na mag-matter ang imong choice of font and the size. So, how you size your heading. So, depende pag convey sa message natay warag heading gid nga dako nga you have something ma-capture good the people's attention, and then you have subheading so that they will know. Okay, people don't usually read, but they will read if there's something that catches their attention. Pabitaw ng newspaper, nag-headline, si Shai, naniwang. So, simple mo, basa gid ang mga tao kay, si Shai, naniwang. So, so, ga-gym day siya every day. So, dito day nakita nga. So, meaning, when you craft your text, inana gid ang inyong kuan. You must find few words nga kanang catches the people's attention, and then you provide the details afterwards. Usahay man gud kaning mag-web design ta, magawas ta tanan ato ang abilidad. So it's not just about ang tendency man gud karon kung mag-design mo og website, if you rely on the client, walay nahimo. Yung pag follow up sila, oy, ah, Karen, kanang naman tong akong ipa-design nga website. Uy, wala pa man kanihatag og kaning image, o wala mo kanihatag og text. Ha? Amo kami paday ana. Oo. So, if inaana nga gud ang mahitabo, wala man ay problema. Okay, but not all the clients are proactive to provide content. Ang tendency ana, you need to find your own. You need to do your own research and you need to come up with something instead. Okay, in that case, para sa kuha, based on my experience, if you go beyond that level, mas taas ang value ng tanaw sa client nimo. So meaning mas musalig sila nimo, mas kay ang any clients mas they will go to someone or they will go after to someone nga dili na maglabad ilang utok o ulo. So pagingan sila nga tagaan yung website, tagaan na kaog idea kung sila gusto din, naka-come up with something. Then if maayo gini siya. So di ba? So mo lang na usahay, we need to extend to that level para at least dili masayang ang oras. So number 6, make elements stand out by adding white space around them. So usahay man good, anong kinahanglan nato ang white space? It it directs your focus on the particular object kung na white space around. Okay,
Minaw mo.
puno man gud siya,
Kuya,
stressful kasi sa eyes. You don't know where to put your eyes on. Daghan kaayo. So, ang mahitabo karon, daghan kasi kanang, but if you want to focus on something, let's say kaning alcohol, utang nako ang video. Ang video man ko. Kita ra ni. So alcohol. So butang nako. Butang na nako. Kabantay ka sa apple.com.
Ay apple.
Text product.
Oh.
Product text. Text sa tunga background ng product. So they don't normally put a lot because they focus on the product and what is the corresponding text that goes with it. Inana lang ka simple but grabe ka impactful. They might put something at the back, subtle background like water splashes, background image or kuan, pero the focus sa imong mata is still on the product because they maximize the white space. And then lastly, number 7 is have all elements connected. So meaning when you design a website, whether they browse from top to bottom or from homepage to subpages, there must be a connection between all the elements. Dili siya ingon nga maraka o na ako sa syudad, then pag sunod akong abre na ako sa bukid. So dapat ang sulod syudad nang gyapon ang feel. Tinana ang atong pasabot nga elements
No?
is connected.
Lapag ito maingon sa ako na.
That's why we need to
Mag-focus ko
come
ba?
up with a brand para we need to stick with that branding para dili ta mawala sa atong design kay ang tendency ana pataka na lang ka o una o kung sa imong ibutang sa imong website until ang elements dili na siya connected. So okay
Okay.
okay ra guys, okay, thank you. So ako lang ipakita karon ang the benefits of a well-designed homepage. So design man kita, design matag homepage karon. Unsa may benepisyo nga to makuha ana? So a simple homepage design welcomes your audience to your site, tells them what you want them to do next and allows them to explore your site in more depth. Kung muapa siya, lisod na. Tingnan siya, ngaunya na lang siyang hapon. Budget lang, kanina nawag. Morning. Lagi nagkuan si kuan ako. Oh, nag-message na si Churchill kanang ako pang I will try to get hold sa Legion kay akong pero noted na Okay, okay ma'am, thank you. Nag-message na siya. Thank you. Bye. Okay, sorry. Asa naman ko? Balik. So, muna siya. Number one, helping your target audience get to know your business. So, kung may pagka-design imong website ay imong homepage, immediately, the moment they land on the page, wala po din na importante. Pag-visit na ko sa website, the moment the first page above the fold pops up sa imong screen, muna kang pinaka-crucial. Kay it's the main thing that the first people see. And again, first impression last. And at the same time, what makes people kanang take action based sa ilang nakita. So pag land nila sa imong page, mo type gali ko sa imong URL, it means na ako'y gipangita nga something. Nganong moabot man ko dira sa imong URL. Maingon gyud kog www.alcoclass.com, meaning kabalo na ko sa imong product. That's why I just wanted to go there because I wanted to know more. But if I land on the page and I see something else nga dili related sa product, automatically hawa gyud ko. So, ang imong website, if I land on the page and I see the product and I see what it's worth, okay lang. And then the rest of the information is not related to it, again, mahawa gyapon ko. So, importante karon is you need to hit the target nga kung unsay gusto. Kung people will search for alcohol, then gawas imo sa top 10 imo ang Alco Plus, and they click on it and they go to your website and people don't find it interesting, again, wala gyapon na siya, it doesn't give value. So muna siya ang helping your target audience get to know more, to know your business. So if you don't offer that one, again, balik ta sa katong number one nga question is site's purpose. Ang say purpose sa imong site. And if you don't hit that one on this one, number one here, useless ang atong design. So number two, improving the experience on your website. Overall nga experience sa tao. Mo ni ang gusto nato nga i-emphasize. Nganong naman yung user experience designer? Importante kayo ang user experience because it what makes people, kanang makes your visitors kanang feel when they leave your website after going through everything. Same thing lang unaan ninyo when you go to a hotel. You go to na is your stay at famous hotel the same as Lux Hotel sa Cagayan? Of course, it's different because ang ilang experience na gihatag ninyo, ang value nga imong nakuha dito is far more greater than sa famous. For example, although sa famous nalingaw ka, pero ang imong experience sa Lux Hotel mas better. So, muna siya nga ang experience sa tao, mabitaw ng ang uban na agi comfortable using Android and other people comfortable using iOS because ang the user experience nga nidulot sa ilaha mao na gid na siya, murag na comfortable na gyud sila sa ilang paggamit. Muna nga ang user experience muna ginatutukan gyud sa mga engineers karon, sa mga designers nga dapat pilit jud ko sa kasing-kasing sa akong target na audience para they will feel good about it. They will feel good about my product. They will feel good about the website they have visited in. So, inana. So, ay nalag-react siya. Number 3, accruing more conversions. So, muna akong giingon. Conversion, meaning how do you convert? When a client wanted to have a website, they spend money, and it's not kanang cheap. Doesn't come cheap. Muna nga give them the reason to kanang recuperate their expense nga ang ilang website is something valuable na can generate returns of their investment. So muna ang inyong tanawon karon nga, does the website really approve more conversions? Number 4 is improving brand awareness. So ang improve the way you design your website, kung maayo pagka-design, it will penetrate the people's mind regarding the brand. So ang brand ninyo karon nga inyong gi-portray, inyong ipakita sa kuan. So kasara na mo walk through ang isa ka user sa isa ka website just to know about your product. They don't really go into the details, not unless kinahanglanon. Pero pag nakita na nila ang angay nilang masabtan, and then it's easier for them to understand what your product really is, then na-improve na ang imong kuan. So ma-inculcate na silang mind nga kani maayo gid siya nga product. So that will improve brand awareness. So far mao lang na siya, 8-step guide, 7 principles o kaning benefits of a well-designed homepage. Ang atong buhaton karon next is we will start designing a website. Ang atong buhaton karon, I will not let you dili ni siya marag exercise nga we will do side by side. Kay malangay ta. Ang karon is ako ang mo design. Tanawon ta mo ang sa idea when I design something, unsay akong approach, and then after that when we are complete with the design, we will go through this if it really hits all these elements. So mag-design ta karon from scratch. Wala pa ko'y gihimo, maghimo ta from scratch. And then after this, based sa katong ato ang idea nga inyong nakuha after I design on something, the next week I will let you design your own website. So meaning if katong dili pa kabalo Photoshop or dili pa kabalo og Illustrator or whatever, you can use whatever method you want. You can also use Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, as long as the key elements are there that makes up a good website. So mo lang na akong kinahanglan. So mo na atong target karon. So whatever is the output of today's lesson, ang inyuha karon is to convert that one into a practical website design on your own. And then sa next nato nga kuan, Canva will do. The next nato nga session, second session is we will run through that and then we will go to the next process. Okay? We're good?
Okay.
Stop sa nato ang share.
Ito yung kuan.
So acknowledge lang kung ready na ang tanan for the next